www.gibsonTruckworld.com 2005 Chevy 3500 LT leather crew cab long bed Duramax diesel 4-wheel drive with 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, riding on 4 brand new 285 Nittos. Premium Bose sound, OnStar, dual power heated leather memory seating, CD player, chrome Nerf bars, line 10 bed liner, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. This American Chevy was made to haul something with long-term dependability and true diesel power. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy.